Meaning of leaves of grass.
Leaves of grass.
Leaves of grass.
Leaves of grass.
Leaves of grass. Leaves of Grass is a poetry collection written by American poet Walt Whitman. The title Leaves of Grass is a pun, referring to the pages, leaves, of a book as well as the grass that grows and spreads, symbolizing Whitman's belief in the democratic spirit of America and the interconnectedness of all living things. The book was first published in 1855 and underwent several revisions throughout Whitman's life. It is considered one of the most important works of American literature and has greatly influenced the development of modern poetry.